What is the result of the following indefinite integral? Oh, circle C and move on. It'd be funny if that actually was the answer. What?
Oh, hell no. You gotta multiply that shit.
Well, something. Well, no, we're not going to separate it into UdV equals UV minus VdU. We're not doing that. We're not doing integration by parts. What I am going to do is do some substitution. Okay? Now, here's what I'm going to do. I propose let's let U equal the cosine of x. Now, why am I doing that? Okay? Because I've got sine of x dx. Does that make sense? So I propose that this component right here, that is u squared. This, no. Negative du. Now, the integral of this is minus that or he said integral of u dv is uv minus the integral of v du. You don't need to go that route.
You could use that.
Technically, yeah. You can do integration by parts on trig integrals. Sometimes it's not very advantageous because what happens with trig functions is that they're cyclic. See, it's not like a polynomial. Like if I have x squared, I take the derivative, I get 2x. I take the derivative again, I get 2. The derivative of that is 0, and then it stops. Trig functions don't do that. If I take the derivative of the sine, I get cosine. Take the derivative of that, negative sine. Then negative cosine, positive sine, I'm back to where I started. So sometimes it's not advantageous to do that because you keep repeating yourself. You can still use it, but you got to be careful.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.